Hello, how are you doing? Peut mieux say hi to you?
Bien ou même chérie.
Moi, très bien. En tant que une belle femme jam que ou ye, que ou commencé avec business crème non. Qui ça que ou vle di pour l'autre jeune yo? Comme si qui mot que ou gagne pour yo même.
Pas jamais give up. Don't ever give up. Take the critic, run with it, and use it to your advantage because the only people that they don't talk about is the poor and dead people. For as long as you're succeeding, they will always talk about you.
As being the first one who introduced it on the business. So how was it for you when you started?
Okay, when I started the cream business, I was a dark-skinned young lady just like you, and I'm not the type of person that's gonna tell somebody bleach your skin. I had a skin condition, and I turned it into a business. In the process of me using the cream, it made my skin lighter, so I like the lighter tone. So I kept going with it. But I mainly focus on hyperpigmentation, acne scars, eczema, and skin tags. That's mainly the things that I focused on. Let's say that you started your own business and someone was using your cream and they end up getting chemical burn. I specialize on that to bring their skin back to normal.
Do you have any upcoming project right now or any business that you are about to launch?
Well, I am going to launch a fashion line, but I came here to support my daughter, Florence. Yeah, it's actually my name, Nerline Laurent, is the name of my fashion line that I'm going to come out with.
Okay. How does it make you feel being here at the great opening of your daughter for Abiye Boutique?
Oh, it makes me really, I am very proud of her. Very, very proud of her. And a lot of young lady can learn from her because the thing is that no matter what anybody say about her, she's mute. She works in silent and she keeps going. A lot of younger women can learn from that because her noise is her quietness. She makes more noise being quiet and getting things done. So I'm very proud of her. From love and hip hop to here.
Okay. So if someone would like to follow you or follow your business, how they can get in touch with you?
My name is Nerglow. I am beauty on Facebook. My Instagram is my name, Nerline Laurent Nerglow. My TikTok name is Nerline Laurent Nerglow.
I love your outfit and you always look fabulous. So what fashion means to you and how you think Abiye Boutique is response to that?
Well, Abiye Boutique, how is it my fashion trend, you're saying? To be honest with you, I have on Dolce & Gabbana. So I came here to support Florence and I know that everybody would look fabulous. So I try to stand out.
And what does fashion means to you?
It means a lot. I used to be a model.
That's fantastic. So how do you find the grand opening today?
You know what? I was watching it on Facebook. I got here late and it's inspiring. It has a lot of people are here. And to be honest with you, everyone that's here is actually rooting for Florence. It's always good to have that. It's always good to have people that have your back 100%.
Do you have any words for someone that is watching who couldn't attend the grand opening?
Who couldn't attend? My son Prince would have loved to be here. He loves Florence. That's Florence's husband. He's only 10 years old. Yes, thank you.
Okay, so so far you've been here. Have you checked?
First time coming.
Okay, so would you like to buy something today or not yet?
Buy something.
Okay, that's it.
Off camera. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much for coming and Pimp News. Say hi to you.
What did you say, honey?
I say thank you so much for coming and Pimp News. Thank you.
Thank you, sweetheart.